A brand new free AI tool just dropped and it's about to change the way you build your business forever. It's called Deepseek and I've spent hours testing it so that you don't have to. I've uncovered 7 game-changing prompts that will help you find your perfect niche, outpace your competitors, create offers that convert, generate leads, and get your first client within 30 days. These powerful prompts will help you turn your ideas into income fast, whether you're just starting out or you're scaling your business. So let's dive in and unlock the full potential of Deepseek right now. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to deepseek.com. When you get to the homepage, you're going to click on Start Now to get started. Now it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign up and create an account. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you're going to see the box, which is where we're going to type in our prompts. All right, so the first step to building any business is figuring out who we're going to serve and what problem we're going to solve. And that's where most people get stuck, but not us because we have Deepseek on our side. Now to make this super clear, we're going to use an example. Meet Sarah. She's 32, she works a 9-to-5 in marketing, and she dreams of starting a side hustle to eventually be able to quit her job. She's got basic social media skills and she's pretty good at organizing and planning. She's got decent writing skills. She writes emails and reports at work. She loves coffee and enjoys hanging out at local coffee shops. She also enjoys helping small businesses succeed, and she's really passionate about creativity and design. In that prompting text box, what we're going to do is we're going to put the details for Sarah in there, what we just talked about, and then below that, we're going to go in with this first prompt. Help me identify a profitable niche and ideal customer avatar for my business. Based on my skills, interests, and market trends, suggest 3 to 5 niches. For each niche, provide a description of the ideal customer, the most common problems they face, how I can position myself as a solution to their problems, and the potential profitability of this niche. Now, you could also incorporate your desires for the business right into this prompt. So for example, if you want to have a business niche where it allows you to spend more time with your family or flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, you can specify that right into this prompt. It's really up to you. So let's see what it generates for Sarah. Wow, look at this. Deepseek just gave us 5 niches for Sarah. The first one, social media management for local coffee shops. That's perfect for her. There's also some other great ideas on the list like coffee-themed digital products and a coffee shop event planner, but we're just going to focus on the social media management for local coffee shops because that sounds right up her alley. So let's break it down. So the ideal customer for her is local coffee shops that lack the time or the expertise to market their shops effectively. Pain points are that they're struggling to grow their social media presence. They've got low engagement, inconsistent posting, and they're finding it hard to attract new customers. So in terms of solution here, it says that Sarah can offer affordable packages to handle the social media for these local coffee shops and specifically tailor her offering to local coffee shops. And then potential profitability here, small coffee shops might have a budget of $300 to $800 a month for social media services. Willingness to pay is moderate to high. So that seems like a pretty promising idea on the list. All right, so now that we've got our niche, it's time to figure out what solutions Sarah is really going to offer. And that's where Deepseek really shines. Wait till you guys see this. This is crazy impressive. All right, so we're going to say, okay, let's go with the first idea into the prompt box. And then we're going to add prompt number 2. And here's the prompt. Based on the niche and ideal customer I've chosen, help me brainstorm 3 to 5 potential product or service ideas that solve their biggest pain points. For each idea, include a brief description of the product or service, how it uniquely addresses their customer's needs, and a simple way to validate the idea. All right, so let's see what it generates for this one. And boom, look at this. Deepseek just gave us 5 service ideas for Sarah. The first one, a social media management package. Here's what it includes. Basic, standard, and premium packages with services like content creation and responding to comments or DMs, monthly analytics reports and strategy consulting, ad campaign management. Let's see what other ideas are on the list. Coffee shops, social media templates, social media workshops for coffee shop staff. That would be a good idea actually. Social media audit and strategy session, and then content creation only packages. And for each one of these ideas, it even tells you how it addresses the needs and how they can validate each idea. Like for example, having a free 1-week trial period to see how people like the service. Super valuable information for sure. All right, so now that we know who we're serving and what we could offer, it's time to build an amazing brand. This is the fun part, so stick with me. All right, so now let's add in prompt number 3. Help me create a strong brand identity for my business, including a catchy and memorable business name, a mission statement that resonates with my ideal customer, 3 to 5 logos, ideas, or visual branding concepts, a tagline or elevator pitch that clearly communicates my value proposition. All right, let's see what Deepseek generates. Check this out. Deepseek just came up with the perfect name for Sarah's business, Brewed Influence. I love that. So here's the mission statement. At Brewed Influence, we help local coffee shops brew a strong online presence. Through creative social media strategies and authentic storytelling, we empower local coffee shops to connect with their community, attract loyal customers, and turn their passion into profit. Super nice. Love that. I could not have come up with a better mission statement myself. And look at these logo designs. I really like concept number 3, which is the elegant and sophisticated. A vintage coffee press or espresso cup with steam-forming abstract social media icons like the Instagram camera symbol that we all know and Facebook the F. The name is written in a sleek, elegant script. That sounds really cool. I really like that. And even the elevator pitch actually looks really solid too. This is how you stand out in a crowded market. All right, now here's where things get real. We've got our niche, a high-level offer, and a brand. Now it's time to take action and sign that first client. Guys, you don't want to miss this one, so let's go ahead and insert prompt number 4. Create a step-by-step 30-day action plan to help me sign my first client. Include daily and weekly tasks, platforms to target my ideal customer, a script for discovery calls or sales conversations, tips for overcoming objections and closing the deal. So let's go ahead and see what it generates. Wow, just wow. Look at this plan. Week 1, research and preparation. Week 2, outreach with cold emails and networking events. Week 3, discovery calls and sending out proposals to clients. Week 4, close the deal and onboard first client. Amazing. And it's even generated our scripts for emails and discovery calls. This is literally like having a business coach in your pocket. This gives so much clarity to anybody that doesn't know where to get started or what to do first. Let's keep going. This next step is really important. Without doing this, your business could end up being a flop. And that is, we need to know who we're up against and how we can stand out. This is where Deepseek's competitor analysis comes in clutch. All right, so here's our 5th prompt. Analyze my top 3 competitors in our niche that we've already figured out, identify their strengths and weaknesses, gaps in the market that they're not addressing, my ideal customers' unmet pain points, opportunities for my business to stand out and dominate. So we're going to see what Deepseek generates. All right, so Deepseek has generated 3 categories of competitors based on common trends in the industry. So competitor number 1 charges too much, $1,000 a month. Competitor number 2 focuses only on content creation, no ad strategy. And then competitor number 3 offers inconsistent content quality. We've got the customer unmet pain points, and we've got opportunities for the business to stand out, and even a potential pitch framework as well. Very helpful. Now, if you want to do some of your own competitor research outside of Deepseek, which I highly recommend, you could actually insert the external website links right into the prompt and say, based on these external data that I've found, please help me to identify gaps in my competitors' offerings. There's also another AI tool called Perplexity AI that can help you do some great in-depth research on your competitors as well. This is how you find your edge, but so far, this is a great start. All right, so now we need to create an offer so good that your ideal customer can't say no. So let's input prompt number 6. Help me design a high-value offer for my ideal customer. Include the core components of the offer, pricing strategy, how to position the offer as a no-brainer solution to their problem, the profit margins for each package, and how to scale the offer for maximum profitability. All right, let's see what it generates. Check this out. Deepseek just created 3 packages for Sarah. The starter package at $300 a month, 9 curated posts, hashtag research and scheduling. The growth package, $600, a little bit more posts, 12 curated posts, Instagram stories, monthly analytics, and a premium package, which includes more posts, then has the ad campaign management and the detailed analytics. Very solid. It's even generated some pricing strategies she can use, like offering discounts for longer commitments from the customer. And then here's the estimated profit margins and some suggestions on how to scale for maximum profitability. It even includes the example pitch to position the offer, which is such a game changer. There's the script right there. Very cool. Okay, so this is a business after all. So if we don't do this next step, we could literally be dead in the water. And that next step is we've got to know our numbers. So we're going to ask Deepseek to create a simple financial plan for this business. So let's input prompt number 7. Help me create a simple financial plan for my business, including startup costs, monthly expenses, revenue projections based on my pricing and target number of clients, a break-even analysis to show how many clients I need to sign to cover my costs, and tips for reinvesting profits to grow my business. Great. Okay, so now as you can see, it's given us total estimated startup costs for the business with a few subscription tools like Canva Pro, website hosting, some ads, which is awesome. So the total is around $500, which is very reasonable. We've got monthly expenses, revenue projections, and a break-even analysis showing she needs 1 client to break even. And here's some helpful tips on reinvesting profits, upgrading tools, outsourcing more, getting more educated and upskilled, really good information. It even created a nice little table at the bottom with a quick financial snapshot. This is way better than what I was expecting. All right, so now let's recap what we just did. Found Sarah's perfect niche, created an amazing brand, generated a 30-day action plan to sign her first client, analyzed competitors to find her edge, crafted a high-value offer, and created a simple financial plan. And we did that all in less than 30 minutes. Now, although this is a fantastic starting point, just a quick disclaimer that you've probably already heard before, which is the fact that AI can sometimes make mistakes. So it's a best practice to confirm some of these things outside of Deepseek with your own research as well. Now, if you want a free copy of these prompts, let me know in the comments below and I'll include them in the description box of this video. One thing that's for sure is that AI is the ultimate unfair advantage. Those that understand it are going to dominate, so don't get left behind. It's never been easier to build a business, so go out there and use these tools to your advantage and build yours. I'm rooting for you. Building a business takes time, but the key is to work smarter and not harder. Watch this next video where I walk through the 5 time-saving AI tools that you need to scale your business in 2025.